In this Overland Australia episode, we explore WA from Cape Legrand National Park to the Stirling Range. From the WA border, the drive can be classified as remote.
Emergency airstrip.
We're on a runway.
Take the fourth exit at the roundabout.
There is no fourth exit. And there is some history out here.
Skylab, 1979. Crash lands. Where?
70 kilometers.
That away. Finally, something to climb. 2 hours of hard walking, no problem. WA is famous for the pristine beaches and thieving kangaroos. But kangaroos and cold water are not going to keep Christina from taking a dip. We spent the following days exploring the many local beaches.
Which beach is that?
Probably the 9-mile beach or the 10-mile beach or the 11-mile beach.
Can't get my beaches straight.
Lots of beaches and lots of wind. And what a great way to exploit the wind. Ouch! Let's move on. Self-service.
You left a spot here.
Perfect.
Wait till Robert sees this. Christina knows how to clean.
And naturally, after cleaning the car, it rains.